the wire. She's in the bracken. The first time we see her. It changed my life. Oh, they'd call that stalking today, of course, wouldn't they?
After all I've done for clown, or honest fool, or whatever thou art, listen to an old man who has not many hours to live. There is nothing in this world to fear, nothing to revere or trust, nothing to hope for, and least of all is there anything to love.
I hope your worship is not quite right. Else it is a sad mistake for anyone to live.
Therefore I deprive you of nothing, and I forbid you ever to see that foolish child again. You will pledge your word, here, now, in Lorna's presence, never to seek her, never even to think of her.
No, grandfather. I have chosen John, and John has chosen me.
Are you not afraid of me, boy?
Why?
Well,
I love Lorna more than life. But if I'm to die, my death will be no tame one.
you two fools.
If it please you, sir, maybe we are not such fools as we look. But if we are well content to be two fools together.
Why, John? You're not altogether the clumsy yokel and the clod I took you for.
Oh, no, grandfather.
Don't watch if you haven't seen this before. This is a perfect pacifist piece of literature. Total genius. And if you're a Londoner, this will fucking freak you forever because you'll never go walking again.
I'll harm you no more. You're beaten. Own it. And repent. Never.
It's just so good.
My comfort is your bride.
All the country's full of these sinkholes, so Londoners should just stay in London.